Hi there, I'm Susie Cohen and I'm the author of several holistic books on health and medicine. As a pharmacist, I know how medications work and how they all have side effects. And that's why I've spent the last 10 years of my career formulating vitamins and supplements that work really well, but without all those side effects. And one thing that always bothered me as a pharmacist was seeing how many people were so totally willing to take dangerous medications just to clear up their skin. The problems that they dealt with varied. Some people just had a dull complexion, others had acne, some had major inflammatory conditions that were autoimmune like psoriasis or eczema or rosaceous. But regardless of the skin problem, everybody was so totally willing to take these expensive drugs with side effects that were crazy, like steroids, which can suppress your immune system, or isotretinoin. You may have heard of that one. It's known to cause birth defects in some people. And the price, I mean, people would spend a fortune. And it was just because they didn't want to go out in public and feel embarrassed by their skin, or pimples or whatever, something with their complexion. Which reminds me of yesterday when I was at Zumba, one of my friends confided in me that she was so happy that she could wear masks everywhere because it was, covering up a major part of her face, where, that made her feel better because she was hiding herself from, she had all these problems on her skin. But anyway, skin problems can occur for two main reasons. One, your natural probiotic defenses go down. You may not realize, but there's 500 million bacteria on your skin per square inch. And the probiotics kind of act like cops. They drive out the bad guys from the skin and from the gut too. And that's important because when you have imbalanced probiotics, it's called dysbiosis, and it can show up on your face. So you might see whiteheads or blackheads or oily skin. Some people might have these scaly, itchy rashes. Others might have pus-filled cysts. Again, the probiotics are the good cops. They drive out the bad actors on your skin. And number two, antioxidant defenses go down with age. And when your antioxidants are low, the free radicals attack your skin matrix. So then you look in the mirror and you see how your complexion has changed in some way. Maybe it's become more dull or dry. Maybe you've got more age spots or dark patches of skin or some small little areas of inflammation or rashes on your face. But now you know a person's face tells the secret about their actual true health status, and you can't cover it up with makeup. I mean, it also explains why some people just look great for their age and others look much older than their chronological age. Of course, other factors come into play like lifestyle factors and collagen and more. But anyway, it could be argued that probiotics make you prettier. And some people have a healthy stash of probiotics and others don't because of their diet or maybe their age or maybe the use of medication or genetics. So begs the question, can a dietary supplement actually help you? Yes. It takes a little time, and you also have to know which antioxidants and which probiotics to take. That's the key. If you think of probiotics and your mind goes to yogurt, stop. Yogurt will not do a thing to beautify your skin because those live active cultures are dead by the time you eat it. Plus, they're not the right cultures either. But there are certain probiotic strains that you can take by supplementing, orally, and then certain antioxidants also that will help reduce the inflammation in your dermal layer. And this rejuvenates your skin. It makes you prettier. You just can't be random with it. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't waste your money. It might trigger odd new symptoms, and just be really careful about what you take internally. I will share more about that with you if you're interested. My point right now is that looking more youthful and having a beautiful, glowing, luminous complexion requires two things. Good GI health so that your probiotic defenses are good, and antioxidant capacity to help neutralize those free radicals that your body generates or that you encounter from the environment. Because if they build up in your body, they build up in your skin, and then it shows up on your face. So in my next video, I'll tell you exactly what to look for because not all beauty supplements are the same. I don't care if they have some big name star pushing it or some Instagrammer marketing it. It doesn't mean anything except maybe the company paid a ton of money to these people to get them to advertise it so that you buy it. So don't just buy it because. Don't be naive and waste money on more exfoliators and cleansers and gooey masks. They're not going to get to the heart of the problem. They're not going to hurt you. They might even help a little bit for, a week or something, but there's no science behind that helping you long term. Let me show you what really works. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to give you more details about how to get rid of some of these nagging skin problems while also improving your general health as a perk. And it doesn't matter if you've been hiding under makeup for 30 years. Give me a chance, because I could show you how to have a lovelier complexion in about 4 weeks. I hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks for listening.